The universe will be expanding in 22 billion years. It'll be expanding faster than the fabric of space-time can keep up with it. And it'll just rip. And I'm terrified by this.
Welcome to Elemental Curiosities, where we unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Today, we're diving into a celestial wonder that's stirring excitement across the astronomical community. Imagine a star so massive and vibrant, it's rewriting the rules of stellar evolution right before our eyes. Nestled in the constellation of Orion, this star's recent transformation is not just a spectacle, it's a cosmic puzzle waiting to be solved. Join us on this stellar journey as we explore the enigmatic life and future of a celestial giant. In the vast tapestry of the night sky, few stars capture our imagination like Betelgeuse. This red supergiant, a jewel in Orion's belt, has recently undergone a startling change, sparking curiosity and awe worldwide. Known for its fiery red hue and impressive size, Betelgeuse is now in the spotlight for a rare and fascinating transformation. As we embarked on this year, Betelgeuse had already made a name for itself as the 10th brightest star in our night sky, but nature had more in store. In a remarkable turn of events, the star's brightness surged by a staggering 50%, propelling it to the coveted position of the 7th brightest star. Betelgeuse's story is not just about brightness, it's a tale of cosmic proportions. If this giant were at the heart of our solar system, it would stretch beyond Mars, engulfing the inner planets in its vast expanse. But the life of a star like Betelgeuse is not infinite. Predictions suggest an eventual collapse, potentially resulting in a supernova that could birth a neutron star or a black hole. The allure of a Betelgeuse supernova lies in its rarity and spectacle. Situated roughly 650 light-years away, we're ideally placed to witness such an event without any harm. The prospect of seeing Betelgeuse outshine the moon and be visible in daylight is a dream for astronomers and skywatchers alike. Such a supernova would begin with a burst of neutrinos, followed by a dazzling increase in brightness as stellar debris expands and releases high-energy photons. This event, lasting weeks or even months, would offer an unmatched opportunity for astronomical study and discoveries. Despite the excitement, it's important to remember that supernovas have historically been viewed as bad omens. However, in the case of Betelgeuse, we are safely distanced to admire this cosmic event with wonder rather than fear. To understand Betelgeuse's current state, we need to rewind to late 2019. That's when the star began dimming noticeably, even to the unaided eye. Using the Very Large Telescope, astronomers observed significant disturbances in Betelgeuse's photosphere, the star's light-emitting layer. These observations revealed an expanding photosphere, growing at about 8 kilometers per second. By mid-November 2019, the outward flow of material from Betelgeuse ceased. New images showed two intriguing changes: a darker region in the southern hemisphere and a drop in surface temperature. This period of low brightness, which lasted until early 2020, was a turning point in understanding Betelgeuse's behavior. The evidence pointed to a surface mass ejection, SME, akin to the Sun's coronal mass ejections, but on a stellar scale. Think of it as a volcanic eruption in space, with star material erupting outward, creating shockwaves and dust that partly obscured our view of Betelgeuse. This SME was monumental, ejecting a mass several hundred times greater than typical stellar ejections. The Hubble telescope's observations during this event offered real-time insights into the aging and evolution of a dying star. Following this dimming event, Betelgeuse's behavior changed. Previously, its brightness varied every 400 days due to pulsations. Now, it's pulsating every 200 days. This change in pulsation period is a puzzle that astronomers are still trying to decode. Computer simulations suggest that a hot gas bubble from within the star may have caused the SME. This bubble, rising through Betelgeuse's turbulent envelope, likely triggered the mass ejection, and disrupted the star's pulsation pattern. As the star's surface expanded and its deeper regions contracted, the pulsation period halved. Scientists believe that over the next few years, Betelgeuse's motions will stabilize, potentially returning to its regular 400-day pulsation. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Betelgeuse and the awe-inspiring phenomena of our universe, I want to take a moment to remind you, if you're finding this journey through the cosmos as fascinating as I do, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. It helps us reach more curious minds like yours, and if you haven't already, subscribing to Elemental Curiosities ensures you won't miss out on more captivating explorations like this one. Now let's continue unraveling the secrets of Betelgeuse and its impact on our understanding of the stars. The timeline for Betelgeuse's supernova is uncertain, with estimates ranging from 10,000 to 100,000 years. Currently, the star is in the early stages of converting helium into carbon. The process must progress through several fusion stages before reaching iron, which would trigger the core's collapse and a supernova. Given Betelgeuse's distance, any supernova occurring now would be visible to us only 650 years later. So, witnessing its dramatic end in our lifetime is unlikely. What sets Betelgeuse apart is our ability to observe its surface, a rarity among stars. This visibility allows us to study the behaviors of aging giant stars, including unexpected events like mass ejections. Betelgeuse's impact extends beyond astronomy. Its name, rooted in Arabic, has been interpreted as the armpit of the giant, though some argue it refers to a hand or shoulder. Its representation varies across cultures, from a severed limb in ancient Japan to a turtle's leg in Brazil, and holds significant astrological meaning in Hindu traditions. Betelgeuse has been a cultural beacon throughout history, symbolizing various aspects of life in different traditions. In Macedonian culture, it represented domesticated animals and agricultural life, while in regions of North Baffin Island and the Melville Peninsula, its rising marked the onset of spring. Its prominence in Orion makes Betelgeuse a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and filmmakers, symbolizing the fascinating intersection of science and culture. As we conclude our stellar journey with Betelgeuse, we're reminded of the vast and mysterious universe that surrounds us. This red supergiant is not just a beacon in the night sky, it's a window into the life cycles of stars and the ever-evolving cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating voyage at Elemental Curiosities. If this glimpse into the celestial has captivated you, please show your support by liking this video. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community of space enthusiasts for more intriguing cosmic tales. Keep gazing at the stars, stay curious, and join us next time for another adventure beyond the bounds of our Earth. The universe is vast and its wonders are endless. Let's explore them together.